gonna share with you a Greek salad. It's healthy and delicious. Hope you like it and enjoy. Let's go, come with me. Hello everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to my channel, Love and Jing Valerian. Guys, today I'm gonna share with you a healthy and delicious Greek salad. Now we are here for all our ingredients that is ready. Now we are here for our Greek salad. I'm gonna use 3 colors of our bell pepper. We have here green bell pepper, cut it into cubes, red bell pepper, cut it into cubes, yellow bell pepper, cut into cubes, and also we have here a cucumber, cut, and we have also radish, cut, and of course we have our tomato, cut into cubes. You can use also, guys, a cherry tomato as you like. And we have here also our white onion, cut it into long. And also we have here our avocado. And we have here also our olive. The olive, you can use green olives as you like. But here we have here black olive. And also we have our white cheese. You can use also any kind of white cheese as you like. But here we have our Bulgari cheese. Cut it into cubes. This is all our ingredients to use for our healthy and delicious salad. And now for our seasoning here. We have here also our healthy seasoning that we're gonna use for our Greek salad. That everything was ready in the bowl. And we have here our dry nana in Arabic, and in English is a mint green nana dry, and the pink Himalayan salt that's so healthy, but we need to use a pinch of salt. And we have here our balsamic vinegar and the olive oil. Just we mix it here all together. Just 2 tablespoons of balsamic, a pinch of salt, enough amount of our olive oil. Just mix it together here with our ingredients in a big bowl, and a pinch of dry nana also for our flavoring. That's it, guys. So easy, healthy and delicious, so easy to make and so healthy. Now it's ready, our Greek salad. It's ready to eat. Hope you enjoy. Thank you so much and God bless. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you again. I love you all.